In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom out on QuickBooks Online so you can view more data comfortably on your screen. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click Sign In at the top right. Enter your email, password, and complete any verification steps to open your dashboard. Now the zoom settings aren't in QuickBooks itself, they're in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, look to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, find the Zoom option. To zoom out, click the minus icon. Each click reduces the zoom percentage and lets you see more of your QuickBooks data on one screen. If you need to zoom back in, just hit the plus icon, and that's it. You've successfully adjusted your view in QuickBooks Online for a smoother, more efficient workflow.